guys, Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. You know what? This is going to be the final episode in making the woodshed a lumber shed. I'm going to make it pretty today. Let's go have a look. Okay, I'm going to cut some soffit now. And I measured the soffit, and what I need is a piece of almost 12 inches wide. So I'm going to cut this 11 7/8. So I'm just going to draw a line here. And with my new Makita saw, because I like it so much, I'm just going to freehand this. So I need to put some soffit fence in here, and because my roof rafters are 2 feet on center, I'm going to come over 3 feet. And that should be between the second and the third rafter, and then 6 inches. Okay, so I want to put a right angle line here. Now we can set this template on here, line up those marks, something like that. So the first one is going to be at 3 feet, the next one is going to be at 7 feet. So then this guy is going to go in here. Something like that. Okay, we're going to cut this blank out now, so do a plunge cut here. Okay, that kind of went up good. Wrestled with it a little, but we got it. So I'm going to continue that along here, and we'll be back. Okay, I finished the soffit, and just in time too, because it's starting to rain. So check that out. Doesn't look that bad, eh? Looks pretty good, I'd say. All we need now is some paint. And we need it to stop raining. Hey, it's sticker time again at Grampie's Workshop. You know what? I like a lot of things about YouTube and whatnot, but sticker time's got to be my favorite. And I sure appreciate everybody who sends me stickers. I've got a great wall here filled with stickers. It sure is nice to have them. But you know, having said that, there's a lot of great channels out there that don't have stickers. That doesn't mean, you know, that the channels with stickers are better than those without. Just saying that. But I love to get stickers. And this week in the mail, I got a nice big parcel from Bald Eagle 242. So thanks a lot for sending that. Look what he sent me. First of all, he sent me this license plate. Man, oh man, isn't that something? I'm going to save this license plate because someday I hope to have a wall filled with license plates, and that'll be on it. And then he also sent me a couple of stickers. Bald Eagle 242. He's a nice channel, eh? What he does is he's been doing YouTube for quite a long time. I just subscribed to him, I don't know, a couple, 3 months ago, I suppose. But he does a lot of good videos, good instructional videos, like tells you why he's doing it, how he's doing it, and you know, step-by-step instructions almost. And what got me onto his channel was he was putting an epoxy finish on the floor of his shop. Man, it turned out so nice. So that's why I tuned into this channel. And he did a really nice job and explained it well. But he has a lot of information on his channel about small engine repair, about woodworking, about repairs, plastic repairs. You know, just, you know, stuff that you do around your house that need to get tended to. He's probably done it and made a video about it. So Bald Eagle 242, pretty nice channel. I'd really appreciate it if you went over and watched him and told him that Grampie sent you. So I'm going to put a sticker up. I think I'll put him right down here in the corner, and just to sort of balance off that corner. So Bald Eagle 242. I'm so happy to have you on my wall. And I hope you guys get a chance to go over and check them out. It'd be a good channel. I've got some trim boards here that I'm going to be putting on the woodshed. So I want to paint those before I put them on. I'm going to put the cheaters on here so I can save my eyes a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to continue, and I'll come back when I'm done here. Alright, we're just finishing up these trim boards. I got 2 coats on them now. Painting them in the sun, it dries so quick, eh? You can get 2 coats on without having to clean your brush. I like that. Alright, I got some soffit I have to paint too, so I may as well go start that. Now, I just had the barn painted a couple of years ago, so I'm going to try and be careful cutting in around here with the white. So I think you all know how this ends up. So I'll talk to you later. Alright, so we finished the first coat on the soffit, and I did the trim around the door. So I'm going to take a break now, let that dry up some, and I'll put another coat on it, and that should be it. Alright, so we got the trim boards on, they're all painted. I put some trim boards along the side here. I was going to do that, but I thought I may as well since I had them. And I just let that offset there a little bit, doesn't look that bad. But that's what happens. And then I got the trim boards on back here too. So I also put some caulking on these seams. And it was gray caulking I had because I'm going to paint these walls gray. And in fact, that's what's next. Doesn't look too bad, eh? It'll be nice. That's the back side. I want to do the back side first in case I messed up, right? So we're going to switch around now and paint the lake side. And that should be it. All right, well, there's one coat on everything. I'm going to let that dry up a little bit and just see if it needs another coat. If it does, I'll put it on, no problem. Well, there we go. I reworked that, well, it used to be wood shed, now turned into a lumber storage shed. At least on the outside. The outside is all done. I got a sheet in, all painted. Doesn't look that bad. But anyway, folks, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all your comments. Boys, it's nice to read your comments. They're inspirational. So thanks for that. Keep them coming. And have a great week. We'll talk to you.